Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change ringtone in Realme Note 50. So for this, all you guys have to do, just go to settings and then scroll it down. As you see, we have option of sound and vibration. So just click on this option and here we have phone ringtone sim 1, phone ringtone sim 2. So if you want to change sim 1 ringtone, so just select it. And as you see, we have a lot of option of our ringtones, so just select anyone. This one is good, so I am selecting it and then press on OK. So as you see, the phone ringtone sim 1 is now set and changed. So this is how we can change a ringtone in Realme Note 50. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.